said all these bullets, but you still didn't give me a shot.
But seriously, how does a gun even work? Let's find out. Wow! Again!
But guys, why does the gun move back though?
I know! What the?
Oh, so a wise man once told me to always draw your free body diagrams. Thank you. So I drew two free body diagrams of the bullet and the gun. As you can tell, F1 is the force experienced by the bullet and F2 is the force experienced by the gun. By Isaac Newton's third law, the magnitude of F1 is equals to the magnitude of F2. However,
Isaac, it's time for dinner!
Shut up, man! I'm doing video here! 5 more minutes!
Okay, my princess!
why we say magnitude is because the two are in opposing directions. And so F1 is equals to the negative of F2. But since there's still a force of F2, the gun will move back. And so there's a recoil. I hope that answers your question.
Fizz Is Sis. We'll be right back.
Wow, Isaac, that was a very good explanation.
Yeah, good job, Isaac.
Oh, thanks for the water. Oh, thanks. What the hell? Why is the ball floating? Does this marble float as well? Why didn't the marble float?
I wonder why.
I know why. Right. When the ball is initially released, the only force acting on the ball is its weight. However, when it goes into the water, there is an upthrust acting from the center of buoyancy, which at this point is equal to the center of mass too. This can be explained through Archimedes' principle. However, when it reaches equilibrium, which is using the principle of flotation, only the top part of the ball is above the water surface level. And at this point, the center of buoyancy is not equal to the center of mass. However, for the marble, its weight is completely over the upthrust of the water. Therefore, it sinks right down to the bottom.
Wow, I learned a lot of new stuff today.
Yeah, I learned about how the recoil works.
And upthrust, don't forget upthrust.
Yeah, upthrust.
Never forget
upthrust.
So,
Archimedes, man.
could anyone give me a conclusion?
Let's take a quick recap of what we learned today.
Yeah.
Guys, what did I miss?